Switzerland has 3,000 secret locations where explosives have been pre-installed inside bridges, tunnels, and mountain roads, ready to detonate within hours if a foreign army invades. These are 44 insane facts about Switzerland that will change how you see it. It is a country that joined the United Nations in 2002 as one of the last on Earth, where 1/3 of voters chose to abolish their own army, and where the World Wide Web was invented by a man whose supervisor called his idea vague but exciting. Let's go. Switzerland is not a member of the European Union and has never applied to join. Despite being completely surrounded by European Union member states, Germany, France, Italy, and Austria, Switzerland maintains its own currency, sets its own immigration rules, and makes its own trade deals. The country sits at the geographic heart of Europe and participates in almost none of its political structures. Switzerland negotiated bilateral agreements that give it access to the European single market without full membership. It is simultaneously inside Europe and completely outside it. Switzerland did not join the United Nations until 2002. The country that hosts the UN's European headquarters in Geneva, that houses more international organizations than almost any city on Earth, did not become a UN member for 57 years after the organization was founded. Swiss voters rejected UN membership in 1986, with 75% voting no. Switzerland joined the UN after Kosovo, after East Timor, and after Tuvalu, a Pacific island nation of 11,000 people. The country that runs global diplomacy was one of the last to join the organization that runs global diplomacy. Switzerland held a referendum in 1989 on whether to abolish its own army entirely. The initiative proposed eliminating the Swiss armed forces, arguing that a neutral country with no enemies needed no military. The result was 35.6% in favor of abolition. More than 1/3 of Swiss voters wanted to eliminate their own military in a single democratic vote. The initiative failed, but led directly to significant reductions in military size over the following decade. Every Swiss man between 18 and 30 is still required to complete military training. Every Swiss soldier keeps their service rifle at home after completing training. Switzerland is a country where 1/3 of the population voted to have no army, and every eligible man still has a military weapon in his home. The World Wide Web was invented in Switzerland. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist working at CERN in Geneva, wrote a proposal for an information management system. His supervisor returned it with the note, vague but exciting. Berners-Lee built it anyway. By 1991, the World Wide Web was publicly available. Every website, every online search, every piece of content ever consumed on the internet exists because a scientist at a Swiss research facility was allowed to pursue a vague but exciting idea. CERN operates the world's largest particle accelerator beneath the border between Switzerland and France, near Geneva. The Large Hadron Collider runs through a circular tunnel 27 kilometers in circumference, buried 100 meters underground. In 2012, CERN scientists confirmed the existence of the Higgs boson, the particle that gives all other particles their mass, sometimes called the God particle. The Higgs boson had been theoretically predicted in 1964. It took 48 years and the most expensive scientific instrument ever built to confirm it existed. The instrument straddles the border between Switzerland and France, meaning the most important physics discovery of the 21st century technically happened in two countries simultaneously. Quick question before we continue. Have you subscribed yet? New video every week, and you genuinely do not want to miss what is coming. Switzerland produces more patents per capita than any other country on Earth. A nation of 8.7 million people consistently outperforms the United States, Germany, Japan, and South Korea in patents filed per head of population. Swiss inventions include the World Wide Web, LSD, Velcro, cellophane, the potato peeler, muesli, milk chocolate, the Swiss Army knife, and the Helvetica font used on Apple products, New York City street signs, and the NASA logo. Switzerland invented the font that NASA uses in space. The Swiss consider this the minimum expected standard of quality. Switzerland's banking secrecy laws, formalized in 1934, made it a criminal offense for Swiss bank employees to disclose client information to foreign authorities. The law was originally designed to protect Jewish clients whose assets were being seized by Nazi Germany. During World War II, Swiss banks accepted deposits from Nazi officials, processed gold looted from Jewish victims, and maintained accounts for both Allied and Axis governments at the same time. After the war, Swiss banks held billions in unclaimed accounts belonging to Holocaust victims whose heirs could not prove identity under Swiss secrecy laws. Switzerland agreed to pay $1.25 billion in compensation to Holocaust survivors and heirs in 1998. Here is where the explosives come in. Switzerland's national defense strategy is called the Redoute, the fortress. If invaded, Switzerland does not fight at the border. Switzerland retreats into the Alps and demolishes everything behind it. The 3,000 pre-installed demolition points across bridges, tunnels, and mountain roads are part of that strategy. An invading army would advance into Switzerland and find every supply route destroyed behind them, surrounded by mountains with no way out. The Swiss have maintained this infrastructure for over 80 years. Most charges are still in place. Switzerland has 4 official national languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Romansh is spoken by 60,000 people, less than 1% of the Swiss population, and has been an official national language since 1938. The Romansh language has 5 distinct dialects that are not mutually intelligible, meaning Romansh speakers from different valleys cannot understand each other. Switzerland made a language spoken by 60,000 people in 5 mutually incomprehensible dialects a national language, and has maintained that commitment for 87 years. The Gotthard Base Tunnel opened in 2016 after 17 years of construction. At 57.1 kilometers long, it is the longest railway tunnel in the world, connecting northern and southern Europe beneath the Alps. Construction required removing 28 million tons of rock. 9 workers died over the 17-year period. The opening ceremony featured half-naked dancers, a man in a baby costume, goat-headed figures, and a giant glowing eye. European heads of state watched live. Switzerland celebrated the world's longest tunnel with a ceremony that most European leaders described afterward as difficult to explain. Switzerland has the highest density of nuclear fallout shelters per square kilometer of any country on Earth. During the Cold War, Switzerland built an estimated 300,000 shelters, enough to accommodate its entire population underground simultaneously. Swiss law required every new building constructed after 1963 to include a nuclear shelter. The requirement was only relaxed in 2012. Switzerland prepared for a nuclear war it officially had no stake in, with more thoroughness than any country actually involved in it. Still here? Good. Hit subscribe. It takes 2 seconds. The last facts are the ones worth staying for. Roger Federer won 20 Grand Slam tennis titles and held the world #1 ranking for a total of 310 weeks, the most in history at the time of his retirement. Federer speaks 4 languages fluently, was born in Basel, and retired in 2022 with career prize money of approximately $130 million. Switzerland is a country of 8.7 million people that produced the man who redefined professional tennis for an entire generation. Federer retired and immediately opened a shoe company. The Swiss consider this a perfectly logical next step. Switzerland is the most expensive country in the world to live in by most measures. A standard McDonald's meal costs approximately $19. Monthly public transport in Zurich costs approximately $95. The average monthly rent for a 1-bedroom apartment in Geneva is approximately $2,600. Swiss minimum wage, where it exists, is approximately $25 per hour, the highest on Earth. Switzerland is simultaneously the most expensive place to live and the place that pays workers the most to live there. The system is internally consistent. It simply costs an extraordinary amount of money to participate in it. Switzerland votes on almost everything. The Swiss system of direct democracy allows citizens to challenge any law passed by parliament or propose new legislation through a referendum if they collect 100,000 signatures within 18 months. Switzerland holds national referendums approximately 4 times per year on topics ranging from immigration policy to whether to ban the construction of new minarets. In 2016, Swiss voters rejected a proposal for an unconditional basic income of 2,500 Swiss francs per month for every adult citizen. In 2021, they voted to ban full-face coverings in public spaces. In 2023, they voted to legalize same-sex marriage. Switzerland does not leave major decisions to politicians. Switzerland votes on everything itself. Switzerland's strangest truths hide in a country that pre-wired its own infrastructure to explode, built nuclear shelters for every single citizen while claiming official neutrality, and held a referendum on abolishing its own army where 1 in 3 voters said yes. On June 13th, Switzerland steps onto the World Cup pitch. Now you know exactly who you are watching. If you want more insane facts about every country at this tournament, subscribe now. We are covering them all. Drop your favorite Switzerland fact in the comments and watch the Amsterdam episode if you haven't yet.